Hello students, I am Mani Kumar, your new mathematics teacher, and today we are going to discuss about quadrilateral, which is a very important chapter. And if we talk about what is a quadrilateral, then quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides in it. What does it mean? If I take an example and name this shape A, B, C, D, then you can clearly see that four line segments are mixed together to make this quadrilateral. Then this is called a quadrilateral because in this figure it has four line segments joined together to form a shape, and each line segment has different names like AB, BC, CD and DA. If we make a shape like this, then we can also say that it is a quadrilateral. If we make a shape like this, it is also a quadrilateral. If we make a shape like this, it is also a quadrilateral. Whatever we made which has a four sides in it, we call it a quadrilateral. But it is necessary to remember all these shapes? No. We are going to discuss only few types of quadrilateral which we use in further classes. Like first, parallelogram. Parallelogram is actually a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then if you write the property of this parallelogram, then its first property is opposite sides are parallel and equal. Second point, the diagonal of parallelogram bisects each other. The diagonal of parallelogram bisects each other. Then this is two main property of parallelogram which we use in our proofs or in anything which is related to the parallelogram. Now the second one is rectangle. Actually rectangle is a special case of parallelogram. Okay, it is a special case of parallelogram. How we call this a special case of parallelogram? Because if we see the angle of this rectangle, it is 90 degree, and in this case the angle doesn't 90 degree because the sum of the angles in parallelogram is opposite angles is 180 degree. And similarly, if this angle after rotating, if you rotate this parallelogram in this way, we clearly see that at a particular time it becomes an perpendicular. Then this is the special case in which we form a rectangle which angle is 90 degree. Then we can clearly say that it is a special case of parallelogram. Then special case of parallelogram, it is a symbol of parallelogram, is rectangle. The special case is a rectangle. And if we talk about this rectangle, diagonal bisect each other. Same, diagonal bisect each other. B, diagonals are equal. Each angles are of 90 degree. Each angles are of 90 degree, and the diagonal do not bisect at 90 degree. Diagonals are only equal and diagonal bisect each other. What is the meaning of diagonal bisect each other? If we talk about this, the diagonal bisect each other, it means let it bisect at point O, then we can clearly say that the distance between OA and the distance of OC is equal, and the distance of OD and distance of OB is equal. Okay, I think you all have cleared this. Okay, now we are going to discuss about more shapes. And now we are going to discuss about rhombus. What is rhombus? A, B, C, D. Rhombus is actually a quadrilateral whose opposite sides opposite sides are parallel. It is a sign of parallel and also equal. Then it becomes rhombus. If we talk about it, some property, then we have already discussed about it. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and some other properties are diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. This is important in this case. Diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, and if we write the area, then the area is half of product of diagonals. Half of product of diagonals. If the diagonals are, we can clearly say that if the diagonals are d1 and d2, then we write this formula further as half into d1 multiplied by d2. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next about a square. Actually, if we talk about a square, then a square is a special case of rhombus. It is a type of quadrilateral, but it is a special case of rhombus. How it is a special case of rhombus? Sorry, special case of rhombus. How it is a special case of rhombus? You can clearly see that it has equal, all sides are equal and parallel. In this case also all sides are equal and parallel, but it becomes 90 degree after if you rotate this. If you rotate this after some time it becomes 90 degree, and after becoming 90 degree all angles become 90. Then it is a special case of rhombus. And its properties, we can say that diagonals are equal and also bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. You can remember this two by mixing each other. Like if the diagonal of rhombus bisect each other and it is a special case of rhombus, that's why its diagonal also bisect each other at 90 degree. You can correlate it. If we talk further about it, then diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree, and all angles are 90. Obviously, all angles are 90 degree. And further, if we write about its area, perimeter, area a square, perimeter is 4 times of a. What is a? A is actually the side of this square. All sides are equal, that's why we clearly say that all sides are a. And how the perimeter comes? If we see perimeter is actually what is perimeter, then if I tell you what is perimeter, then perimeter is a length of boundary. Let's say it is a square or any shapes. Then what is its boundary? If we see this board, then you clearly see that this board is surrounded by 4 line segments type of wood, plywood, first, second, third, and fourth. And the area which I am writing is actually this is area inside this 4-sided plywood. Then this is the length of this boundary. First boundary of this board, second boundary of this board, third boundary of this board, and fourth boundary of this board. If you add these 4 sides, let's say this is 5. Let's say this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter, then 1 meter, board 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. It becomes perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4 meter. I think perimeter is clear. Then perimeter is length of the boundary. If we talk about area, area is length multiplied by breadth. Length is a and breadth is also a into a is a square. And these are the some shapes. If it further talks about some special shape, this is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. Actually, what is trapezium? Trapezium is a type of quadrilateral whose one pair of sides is parallel and only parallel and not anything else. If you talk about this, it is a trapezium. trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are, whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. And the special thing, if you write area, then area is basically nothing half into sum of their parallel side. If AB is parallel to BC, then sum of parallel side, this is sign of parallel, into distance between them. Distance between them. Okay. If we further talk about this trapezium, then if in a special case the non-parallel side, which is AD and BC, becomes equal, then this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Then B point, if non-parallel side becomes equal, non-parallel side becomes equal, then the trapezium becomes an isosceles trapezium. I hope you all understand it. And this is a overview of quadrilateral. Thank you for today, and we further discuss it in next class. Thank you.